So excited to try it on. Hello. 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 It's me, Jenny, again, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you came by because today I got a package. And this time I actually didn't open it. I'm gonna open it with you. This is Outlines by AdoreMe. As you probably know, AdoreMe from my previous videos, that AdoreMe is a lingerie, loungewear, swimsuit, cuteness on subscription. And now they came out with personalized styling company. So what they do is, based on the quizzes that you fill out on their website, they'll pick out the outfits for you, including bra, panty sets, lingerie, sleepwear, homeware, whatever you want. And you could also exclude certain things, include certain things as well. If you're not a lingerie person, cool, you could take that out. So I thought that was really good because you don't have to commit to anything. If they pick out the items that you might like, and you keep whatever you like and you pay for it. And whatever you don't like, you send it back. This is a very new company still, so I don't think there are many reviews yet, and I am so excited I was picked to review for you guys. And voila, the seal has broken. I'm actually real excited. I know, it's like COVID season, so I should sanitize it, right? Sanitize. I don't even know if this even helps, but I'm sanitizing it. Woo! Cutie cute. Oh, it's a sleepwear. This is super cute. I like this. This is, I think, a very cute spring look. I am so ready to hop onto that spring look. Like it. I like how soft it is. I like the lace. It's not too much. It's not too risque, which is what I like in a sleepwear. So even if I answer the door without anything else on, I don't look like I'm seducing them. All right, what is next? Ooh, yes, I love like mauve-ish color. This is so cute. Oh, actually, I saw this on AdoreMe's site. I always go like, oh, I'm gonna get it, and I forget it. So this is so cute. This is a lingerie. It comes with a G-string. Oh wow, this is so cute. I love this. See, it's like, it's cute, but it's not over the top risque. That's cute. I'm loving that. I think that'll be my favorite. Oh, what is this? And it's a loungewear. Yes! The first thing off, I love the quality. It's so soft. It's a tank and with a nice comfy looking jogger. Oh, how cute. I actually have this one, and I think in different color. I actually never take these off, so I'm glad I have it in different color now. Yeah, I love this set. I like that it's kind of like a transitional color between winter to spring, and the material itself too, you could still wear at this weather, and as we approach spring, you could probably wear it too. And probably you could wear it outside soon. Okay, next. There we go. I actually have these, and girl could never have enough of nude bra. Hello. I mean, hello. We're actually wearing the same one right now. Hello. I actually love this. It's like one of the most comfortable bra ever. It's also good because I specifically asked for only nudes, mauves, neutral colors, and like very subtle patterns. I don't like bold colors. I think I will always like it, but I never wear it, and they just stay in my closet forever in life. And then I just go, oh shoot, should I give it away? I always end up picking out white tees or like very plain things, so this is perfect for that. As you guys know, AdoreMe is all about sets, so Chris has the matching thong because that's also the preference I put in. I'm loving this look. Very neutral look. I already wear it a lot, so I love this. Just very everyday wear. I think I have it in black, grayish, and blue, and nude tones, and these are my favorite t-shirt bras. They fit in every way possible. It's so flattering. There is no wire, and no wire bras are usually my favorite for day to day because it feels like just like a borderline sports bra, and that's what I like to wear. And last but not least, oh, this is so cute. I was really actually afraid that I'm gonna slash some sort of things I got because this stuff is pretty dangerous. Oh my gosh, how cute. How cute is this? Ooh. I talked about this in a previous, I think, holiday video. I'm usually not a fan of this like wider set for bras because it's just a lot, especially with us girls with nails. You know, you gotta have to go through a lot. But when it's cute, I will commit. And this is cute. This is also so funny because it's something I would kind of shy away from because it is a bit of pattern. But now that it's in my house, I want to wear it. It's too cute to not to wear it and try it on, right? So definitely, I'm loving this. We should have places to wear it to or show it to someone. But, you know, it's okay. Self-love, self-love. Ooh, what you guys think? I think I'm gonna end up keeping all of them because I actually wear all of them. Thank you, Outline, sending me these products. I love them. You guys actually know my taste now. I feel like my best friend just went shopping for me. I can't even say enough of how much I love it. And when I think you guys are slacking off, you guys just get right back on track and make me happy again. I feel like every time that month is like about to end, I get super excited because I know that AdoreMe always has like a new fun set coming up each month. I don't know, is that like with you guys? Like certain brands that I love and I know that I have subscriptions to, I always wait and look for it because I know they're gonna have something fun. This obsession started since like October for me, and like every month I couldn't pick things I wanted because it was like so many pretty ones. I'm just like, which one do I pick? I got a lot. Like I'm running out of space. Lingeries and bras and panties. But you can never have too many either. Am I right? I think it's also important that we give it to ourselves and no one else. You know, it's so important that we cherish it for ourselves because we just love it, you know? Well, that's it from me. So hope you really liked this video. Thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Bye! Let's get a hype up dance, you know? To try on is so much work behind the camera, but gotta do the hype up dance. Maybe I should stretch a little. Oh, it's been a long day. I think I'm ready. Oh, there it goes.